Sharge. They've got some interesting products. Like the one I'm wearing, these are not my regular Metas, but these are their new products. So this is not yet in the market. This is going to be coming out soon, later this year. And the cool thing here again is obviously the camera and obviously the built-in features. And the cool thing here is this thing dismounts, so I could continue using my glasses. I can get this charged and then plug it back in, and I'm back in power. But that's not all. The cool thing what I have here in this product is this thing that came out of my pocket. Check this out. This is something we use very frequently in the entertainment industry. We need always portable devices. This is a 4TB portable high-speed 1000 Gbps transfer speed, and it connects to your phone. It snaps on. It plugs in, and that's powered on. I see it here, Disk Pro. Of course, there's no files. Now you could have presentations here, you could have your video files here, you could be at events. And then look at the other cool thing, which I love, the portability, giving you HDMI output, USB readers, USB 3, and of course the USB-C. And now you have the flexibility of going to a meeting with your file on your phone, connecting to an HDMI and going onto any screen of any size. How cool is that when it comes to portability? And that's something really that changes the game when it comes to form factor, because people don't like to carry around big bulky things, multiple devices. And that's some amazing tech on the Technologist.